Struggling to find where Wise hides your financial reports? In 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to generate them, so you can stop digging around in menus and finally get the statements you need for accounting or taxes. All right, here is the plan. We will start from your Wise dashboard, click through to your account settings, then generate a statement in just a few clicks. It's a straightforward path once you know where to look. So, let us begin. You are on the Wise homepage, the main screen you see after you log in. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see your profile icon. It might be your picture or just your initials in a circle. Click on that. That is your gateway to everything account-related. From that drop-down menu, we want to find the section that controls your documents. Look for the option that says Statements and Reports. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Wise keeps all the official financial paperwork for your accounts. I have spent a lot of time navigating through this platform, and this is the one spot that pulls everything together. Now you are in the Statements and Reports area. You will see a few tabs across the top of the page. By default, it might open to something else, but we want the tab that just says Statements. Click on that tab. Think of this as the hub for all your monthly, quarterly, or custom date statements. It is separate from any transaction logs or tax summaries, so this is the right place for a standard financial report. All right, now we are in the Statements section. Right now, it might look a bit empty, especially if you have not generated one before, but you will see a button on the page that says Create a Statement. Click that button. This is where the magic happens. And here is the really important part. A new page or panel will open asking you to set up your statement. You need to tell Wise what exactly you want to report on. First, choose the account you want the statement for. If you have multiple Wise accounts, like a personal one and a business one, make sure you pick the right one. Then, set your date range. Do you need a report for last month, the entire tax year? Just select your start and end dates. It's pretty flexible. Once you have entered those details, go ahead and click Create or Generate, however it reads on the button. Wise will start processing your request. This might take a moment to process, especially if you are requesting a large time period with lots of transactions. Do not worry if it is not instant. After a few seconds, the page will refresh. You will now see your newly created statement listed. Depending on your settings, you might see a download button right there, or it might say View. Just click whichever one appears. It will usually download as a PDF right to your computer, ready to open, print, or send to your accountant. And there you have it. You went from not being able to find the feature to confidently generating and accessing your own financial statements. It really is just a matter of knowing that path through the profile menu. Now, you can pull up any report you need whenever you need it.